If you're dealing with a Steam error, whether it's a connection issue, a launch problem, or a game that just refuses to update, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Steam working again as quickly as possible. These are the same troubleshooting methods that solve most common Steam errors, and they're easy to follow, even if you're not super technical. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, the simplest fix, and honestly the one that solves a surprising number of problems, is to restart Steam and your computer. If Steam is showing a fatal error, a connection issue, or a game won't launch properly, close Steam completely. Make sure it's not still running in the background. Then restart your computer and open Steam again. A full reboot clears temporary glitches, resets background processes, and often fixes problems that seem much bigger than they really are. If the error was caused by a temporary conflict, this alone may solve it. If that doesn't work, the next thing to try is running Steam as an administrator. To do that, find your Steam shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu, then right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and reopen Steam. Running as administrator gives Steam the permissions it may need to update, launch games, or connect properly without being blocked by Windows permissions. Now let's move on to another very useful fix, clearing the Steam download cache. If Steam is stuck updating, downloading, or throwing connection-related errors, the cache may be the issue. Open Steam and go into Settings. From there, click Downloads, then select Clear Download Cache. Steam will usually ask you to log in again after this, so make sure you know your account details before you proceed. Once you sign back in, try the download or update again. This step can fix corrupted temporary files that interfere with Steam's normal behavior. If the problem is happening with just one specific game, then you should verify the game files. This is one of the best fixes when a game crashes, won't open, or shows missing file errors. Go to your library inside Steam, right-click the game that's having issues, then choose Properties. Open the Local Files section and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game installation and automatically replace any missing or damaged files. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, but it's one of the most reliable ways to fix launch problems. And if none of those steps solve the issue, it's a good idea to check whether Steam itself is having server problems. Sometimes the error isn't on your computer at all. It could be a Steam outage, a login problem, or a platform-wide connection issue. To check this, go to steamstat.us and look at the current Steam server status. If the servers are down or experiencing issues, there may not be anything wrong with your setup. In that case, the best fix is simply to wait until Steam is back online. So to quickly recap, if you're facing a Steam error, start by restarting Steam and your computer, then run Steam as an administrator, clear the download cache, verify your game files, and finally check Steam server status. In most cases, one of these steps will get you back into Steam without any extra stress. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.